In this video, I am going to share one more technique of Vedic maths in case of multiplication of any number with a number all in nines. So in the last video, I have shared these two cases where the number, which is any number, and the number in nines are equal in digits, and then I shared the one which is less than digits. In today's video, I'll share with you about a situation where the number, which is any number, is having more digits as compared to multiplier I am calling over here the number all in nines. So the rule I am going to discuss with you with the help of an example, that how do we find the multiplication by Vedic technique that is different from the usual traditional way. So let's say in this first example the number is 378 and we are going to multiply with 99. So what we are observing here, that here this 999 is 2-digit number and here the number is 3 digits. So what you will do, divide this number into two parts. So what you will do, you start looking from the back side of the number. So just consider the 2 digits from the last. Now it is in two parts. So one part is here 7 8 and another part is 3. So we will find out the solution in two parts. One is the uh, front part and the later part. So front part will give us a help in finding the left side of the solution, and the later part will give me a solution of the right part, because we always seen in this cases that we get an answer in two parts. So first step is that as soon as you identify that this is a 2-digit number and you are multiplying it with the 3-digit, so first of all you separate the 2-digit and find out its complement, and that become the right part of the answer. So how do we find a complement? So complement process is all from 9 and last from 10, and the last should be non-digit. So here, sorry, non-zero. 7 I will subtract from 9, that will be 2, and 8 I will subtract from 10, so 22 will be my right part of the answer. Now for the left part, we will see that this number 3 is going to play a role over here. What you will do, add 1 to this number, means every time you will add 1 to this portion which is not yet utilized, and then subtract that number. Like when we add 1 to 3, it will be 4, so subtract 4 from the whole number. You will not do it from only limited part, from the whole, whatever question is given to you. So here 378 minus 4 will give me the left part of the answer, and that comes out to be 374. So in this case the whole solution is 37422. Let us see with the help of another example. I'll repeat the same process to make it clear. Let's say the second example is 3274 into 99. Now it is again a 9 multiplication. This discussion is all about that if any number is multiplied with nines, if the one number is all in nines, we can use this technique. Only point is you have to see that whether they are equal in digits or they are one is less than this digit or one is more. So whatever technique is applicable you can apply. So right now they are more in number, this number is more. So first of all I'll see here that there are two digits, so I'll consider two digits from last, this is 74, and find out the complement of 74. So this is my right part of the answer. Here I'll write down the left part of the answer and the complete will be my solution. So first is, what is a complement of 74? The complement of 74 here is 7 will be subtracted from 9, that will be 2 here, and this 4 will be subtracted from 10, so it is 6 here. So 26 I have gotten. Now what is the next step? This number which is a 32, you will add 1 to it. So when you add 1 to this number, 32 plus 1 is going to be a 33. So subtract 33 from whole expression. So when you subtract 33 from whole expression, means whole number, you are going to get here, this is 4 minus 3 is 1, 7 minus 3 is 4, and then you are having here 3 2. So answer of this particular multiplication is 324126. So just see that if you are avoiding here multiplication, addition, subtraction sometimes seem to be far better. So let's see one more example here. What I'm observing, there are two digits and they are more in number. So first of all, I'll highlight the two digits from left, from this is right to left, not consider two digit in the front. From back side you just highlight these two number, and these two number are going to be my right part of the answer. So what I will do, I'll find out the complement here. So what is a complement of 65? Subtract 6 from 9, that will be 3, and subtract 5 from 10, that will be 5. Now next step is to find the left side of the answer, means the front entries are yet to be calculated. 122 is my this portion. So what I will do, I am going to add 1 to it, it becomes 123. Now we will subtract from whole. 1 2 2 6 5 minus 1 2 3. So what will be answer here? So when you subtract this number, what you will get, you are going to subtract 123. So here you will have 2 4 1 2 1. So answer is 1 2 1 4 2 3 5. See how quickly it can be calculated. When with more practice one can master this calculation. Now here again we are observing 4276 is to be multiplied with 999, and there are 3 digits, there are 4 digits. So what I will do, first of all I'll highlight that these 3 digits from the back side are going to give me the right part of the answer. What is the right part of the answer? Complement. So how to find a complement? All from 9 and last from 10. So 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 7 is 2, and 10 minus 6 is 4. So one part is done. Now what I will do with the next, here this number which is not yet utilized, that is 4, I'll add 1 to it. When I'll add it become 5. So I'm going to subtract 5 from the whole number. So when you subtract, it will be 1724. So answer is 4271. This is my left part. So 4271724 is the answer. I hope you are getting. I want you to pause the video and try to find out the answer, and after that you will see that what will be the solution. I hope you have gotten the answer. Let us check how many digits are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here one digit is extra. So first of all I'll find out my right side of the answer. So here I'll take the complement. What is complement of 4 2 8 5 6 9? All from 9 and last from 10. So 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 6 is 3. Now last one, don't forget from 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. So I got some part of the answer. Now what is the next portion? This number is yet to be used, and I'll add 1 to it, that become 8. Now I'll subtract 8 from the whole number. So when you subtract 9 minus this whole number, subtracted from 8 will give me 1 6 5 8 2 4 7. So the answer is 7 7 4 2 8 5 6 1 5 7 1 4 3 1. Let's do one more last question. Here I'll do the same thing are there. This side number is more and this side number is less. They are all in 9, so we can use this formula. So they are 3 in digits, so I'll first identify the 3 digits from the last and take its complement. Now here I have taken 0, so what you will do, when you are finding a complement, the last from 10 means that should be non-zero. So whenever you have a zeros in the end, just shift your strategy to the whatever is the latest non-zero. So here 5 I will subtract from 10. So 6 will be subtracted from 9. That will be a 3, and 10 minus 5 is 5, and 0 will remain as 0. So that is my right side of the answer. Now what I am observing, this 23. This 23 is something which I will subtract, but by increasing its one value. So it become 24. So I am going to subtract 24 from whole expression. Again repeating from whole. So when means from 2 3 6 5 0. So when you subtract So what will be the answer? Here it will be 6, here it will be 2, 6, 3, 2. So answer is 23626 350 for this particular situation. I hope you have gotten the idea, and it is so quicker. Thank you.